cùng của chúng tôi ở Sapa, Việt Nam và chúng tôi quyết định đưa bạn đi dọc thị trấn Sapa. Chúng tôi sẽ đến thăm một ngôi chùa Phật giáo và chúng tôi sẽ ăn heo sữa. Xem và thưởng thức.
Translated to English, it's our last day here in Sapa, Vietnam, and we have decided to take you on a ride along the Sapa town. We will visit a Buddhist temple and we will eat suckling pig. Yes, lechon. So, watch and enjoy! The center of Sapa is probably the church in the main square in front of it. From here, you can easily get to most attractions of Sapa. Welcome to Sapa, Vietnam!
Can't see. That device of lovers.
Lakas si Jacob. Uy, ang galing. Ang galing, oh. O, baka hikain ka na yan. Tama na. Woohoo!
mừng đại lễ Phật đản.
In English, it's Happy Birthday, Buddha.
Happy birthday, Buddha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Buddha.
So, it was the day of the celebration of Buddha's birthday when we chanced to see and visit Chuk Lam Daichak, or the Bamboo Forest Great Enlightenment Zen Monastery in Sapa, Vietnam. This Buddhist monastery was founded in 1994 by Zen Master Thich Nhat Hanh. It lies within 24 hectares of protected forest, and there are hundreds of monks and nuns who come and go and do their pilgrimage there. The monks and nuns practice Zen Buddhism. It is a way of life that teaches them to be fully present. It silences their egos and thoughts to achieve everlasting peace, happiness, and enlightenment. During our visit to this monastery, there are more than 100 pilgrims celebrating the birthday of Buddha. The amount of love, kindness, generosity, and sharing with one another, what we have seen that day was really quite tremendous. It outweighed anything that we have ever seen or in our daily lives. That is a lot. Buddhists believe in oneness, where we are all the same and equal. Naman kung nag-chat pa tayo doon, naputan tayo ng ulan. Niyakan tayo mag-tea.
And meditate.
Gusto niya nga kumain tayo sabi niya.
Hindi gusto makain kami yung mga
Next time, Next time, babalikan ko yan.
good luck na lang. Pasokan. Kailan?
Basta di mo ba, sasama pa kita?
Hindi na. Pasokan na namin.
Asyomero.
Hindi,
Asyo.
July 29. Bali, July 5. Kailan ba? Ano natin?
Wala ka na pang enroll.
Kailan ba?
Ano Philippine?
Yung pin.
26, 27, 28.
Tama, man.
Yeah. Very precarious ang weather dito, no?
Ano lang naman bagyo?
Kasi ano siya eh.
Hapon ang nagtanghali. Dating ang hapon.
pwede silang sumilong. Baka itataboy sila ng ng mga madlang people.
Kaya naman din. Tsaka date.
Oo, pakonsuelo na natin.
Kain ka, Lechon! Lechon, kakain ka! Lechon!
Snack pigs or free-range pig or lechon in Tagalog is another specialty in Sapa you don't want to miss. These word name origins from the image of local ranchers put the pig under their armpit whether they sell it or they buy it. O diba? The soft, sweet, and less greasy meat with a crunchy brown skin of roasted pork will definitely make you fall in love with this dish. Kapnak. Ways to cook kapnak pigs are diverse, but they usually grill or roast the whole pig directly on charcoal after marinating it carefully in many kinds of spices. Yummy!